Faisal Mosque is a famous mosque located in Islamabad, the capital city of Pakistan. It is named after King Faisal bin Abdul-Aziz of Saudi Arabia, who generously provided financial assistance for its construction. The mosque was designed by a Turkish architect, Vedat Dalokay, and was completed in 1986. Faisal Mosque is considered one of the largest mosques in the world, and it can accommodate up to 100,000 worshippers at a time. The mosque has a unique and modern design, with its triangular-shaped prayer hall and 4 minarets standing at 80 meters high. The mosque's interior is decorated with beautiful marble and intricate geometric patterns. The mosque is open to visitors of all faiths, and it has become a popular tourist attraction in Islamabad. Visitors can take a guided tour of the mosque and learn about its history, architecture, and significance to the Muslim community.